Okay, so we have positive 4, and then xy times y. So there aren't any x's, so we don't have to do anything with that, but we have a y times a y, so that makes that y squared. Alright, so we expanded that one out. Okay, how about we have 5y squared times x squared plus y minus 3y times x minus y. Alright, a little bit longer one here. So I'm going to distribute this 5y squared, multiply it by x squared. So there's really nothing we can do with that other than just rewrite. Plus 5y squared. But because we have a 2 and we're multiplying it by this y here and there's a 1, that's going to become y raised to the third power. Minus 3y times x. And then we have this minus here and we have a minus here, so that's going to make that a plus. And then this is going to be 3y squared, because we have y times y, we get y squared. Okay, can we simplify any of this down? And the answer to that is no, and we're just going to leave it like it is. Well, I think we should learn something new now. Let's say we had, I can't ever remember to close that. Let's say we had x plus y times x minus y. And we want to rewrite this. We want to multiply these two together. Okay, this is how this works if you've never seen it. We have an x times an x, so that's x squared. And then x times minus y. Okay, so you do this first term and then just go through both of these and then go to the next one and then multiply it by both of them. So y times x and let's see, y times negative y, so that's minus y squared. And then of course we want to simplify this down. We have a minus xy and a plus xy, so those are going to cancel out. And we're left with x squared minus y squared. That's the difference of two squares. So we could say that this is equal to x squared minus y squared. Alright, so let's look at another one on that. Let's say we have 3x minus y times 2x plus 3y. Okay, so we take the 3x, multiply it by 2x, so that's going to give us 6x squared, and then 3x times 3y. 3 times 3 is 9, and we just have xy. Minus, because we have a minus here, y times 2x, so that's just going to give us 2yx, and then minus times y minus, let's see, that'd be 3y, so it'd be minus 3y squared, because it's y times y is y squared. And then of course we want to look at this, and is there any way we can reduce this down? Well, we have, let's see, now 6x squared. Let's see, we have an xy and a yx. Okay, so these are like terms here. We have a 9 minus 2, so that would be 7xy minus 3y squared. Good enough.